Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the must-haves for artists. I think it just makes the process easier if you have these. So let's get started. The first one is old brushes like this. I think the older the better because it helps like creating texture later on. So if you wanna show texture in your paintings, I think these are the best. Second of all is paper palettes. So if you don't like washing your palette, and that's a whole situation, you can just tear it off after use. This is a lot simpler. You don't have to wash. The next one is small boxes like these, so that you can, if you use medium, you can store it in these instead of pouring it on your palette and then getting mixed up everywhere and spilling. So yeah. After that is tapes like this. I think masking tape. I think this is called masking tape or something. If you want like straight edges, I think using them is better. You just tape them on your canvas and then paint over it and remove it after it dries. Yeah, like this. It's not complete, but I use tapes for edges. Lastly, a sketchbook. So even if you don't use sketchbooks that often, I think it's better to sketch your ideas before you put them on canvas, so that you'll understand how the final look is gonna be like. So hope that was of any use for you, and then see you in another video.